Is your Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S40 acting strangely, refusing to connect, or failing to start cleaning cycles properly? Issues like these can happen after software glitches, Wi Fi changes, or interrupted updates. Fortunately, many common problems can be resolved by resetting the vacuum and setting it up again from scratch. In many situations, a Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S40 reset is enough to restore normal operation without requiring repairs. Before assuming the robot is damaged or changing random settings, these are the steps you can try to fix this and refresh the system. 1. Place the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S40 on a flat surface and make sure it has sufficient battery charge. 2. Locate the reset button or identify the button combination specific to the vacuum. 3. Press and hold the required controls until you hear a voice prompt or see the indicator lights change. 4. Wait patiently while the robot restarts and returns to its factory settings. 5. Reconnect the vacuum through the companion app and confirm that cleaning functions work correctly.